Hey there, Old Family Remedies here. Do you experience sharp pain when eating ice cream, drinking hot coffee, or brushing your teeth? Tooth sensitivity is a common problem, but that doesn't mean you have to live with it. Instead of relying on chemical-based toothpaste, I'll show you powerful natural remedies to reduce sensitivity and strengthen your teeth naturally. Stay until the end for a DIY remineralizing toothpaste recipe. Before we dive into our next remedy, let's talk about something you might already enjoy. Green tea. Green tea is not only a delicious and refreshing beverage, but it also has properties that can help reduce tooth sensitivity. Green tea contains catechins, which are natural antioxidants with anti-inflammatory properties. These can help reduce gum inflammation and promote healthy gums, which in turn helps with tooth sensitivity. To make the most of green tea, simply brew a cup and let it cool to a comfortable temperature. You can drink it or use it as a mouth rinse. For the rinse, swish it around in your mouth for about 30 seconds to a minute and then spit it out. Doing this twice a day can make a noticeable difference in your oral health. So, next time you're feeling that annoying twinge of sensitivity, reach for a soothing cup of green tea. But before we go forward, don't forget to like, subscribe, and support our channel for more amazing content. Let's kick things off with a simple yet effective remedy: saltwater rinses. You know me, I love using things that are readily available, and salt is something everyone has in their kitchen. Saltwater is a natural antiseptic, meaning it helps to kill harmful bacteria in your mouth. These bacteria can contribute to gum inflammation, which can then lead to, you guessed it, tooth sensitivity. Think of it this way: when your gums are inflamed, they pull away from your teeth, exposing the sensitive root surfaces. But don't worry, we can combat that. By rinsing with warm salt water, you can effectively target those bacteria and reduce inflammation, allowing your gums to heal and better protect your teeth. To use this remedy, simply mix half a teaspoon of salt into a cup of warm water and rinse your mouth thoroughly for about 30 seconds twice a day. It's as simple as that. Now, let's talk about coconut oil pulling. This ancient Ayurvedic practice has gained popularity in recent years, and for good reason. Coconut oil has natural antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties, making it a powerful ally in the fight against tooth sensitivity. When you swish coconut oil around in your mouth, it literally pulls out those pesky bacteria that can erode your enamel and cause sensitivity. Think of it like a magnet for toxins. Plus, the oil forms a protective barrier over your teeth, shielding them from further irritation. To practice oil pulling, simply put a tablespoon of organic, cold-pressed coconut oil in your mouth. Yes, it'll feel a little weird at first, but I promise you'll get used to it. Swish the oil around in your mouth for 15 to 20 minutes, making sure it reaches every nook and cranny. Don't worry about swallowing. You'll want to spit it out in the trash can when you're done. And remember, consistency is key. Try to make oil pulling a part of your daily routine for best results. Let's face it, sometimes you need immediate relief from tooth pain. That's where clove oil comes in. This potent essential oil has been used for centuries to alleviate dental discomfort, and for good reason. Clove oil contains a compound called eugenol, which acts as a natural anesthetic and antibacterial agent. Eugenol works by numbing the nerves in your teeth and gums, providing fast-acting pain relief. It also helps to reduce inflammation and fight off infection, addressing the root cause of your sensitivity. Now, you don't want to apply clove oil directly to your teeth, as it can be quite strong. Instead, dilute a few drops of clove oil in a carrier oil like coconut oil or olive oil. Then soak a cotton ball in the mixture and gently dab it onto the affected area. You can also add a drop or two of clove oil to a glass of water and use it as a mouthwash for a more diluted effect. You've probably heard the saying, "You are what you eat." Well, that couldn't be truer when it comes to your dental health. The foods you consume play a crucial role in strengthening your enamel and reducing sensitivity. One of the most important nutrients for strong teeth is calcium. Calcium helps to remineralize your enamel, making it more resistant to erosion and decay. Dairy products like milk, cheese, and yogurt are excellent sources of calcium. But if you're lactose intolerant or following a vegan diet, don't worry. You can also find calcium in leafy green vegetables like spinach and kale, as well as in almonds and sesame seeds. Incorporate these calcium-rich foods into your diet to give your teeth the building blocks they need to stay strong and healthy. Did you know that your daily cup of tea could be doing wonders for your teeth and gums? Green tea, in particular, is packed with antioxidants that can help combat tooth sensitivity. These antioxidants, known as catechins, have powerful anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce gum inflammation and protect your enamel from erosion. Studies have shown that green tea can actually inhibit the growth of bacteria in your mouth, promoting a healthier oral environment overall. So, how can you incorporate green tea into your routine for optimal dental health? It's simple. Enjoy a warm cup of unsweetened green tea daily. You can also use cooled green tea as a mouthwash after brushing your teeth for an extra boost of antioxidants. Just as there are foods that can strengthen your teeth, there are also those that can worsen sensitivity. Acidic foods and drinks are the main culprits here. When you consume acidic substances, they temporarily soften your enamel, making it more susceptible to erosion. Over time, this erosion can lead to increased sensitivity and even cavities, so which foods and drinks should you limit or avoid altogether? Think about citrus fruits like oranges, lemons and grapefruits are highly acidic. While they're packed with vitamin C, it's best to consume them in moderation and rinse your mouth with water afterwards. Soda, both regular and diet, is another major culprit. These beverages are loaded with sugar and acid, a double whammy for your teeth. Coffee, while not as acidic as citrus fruits or soda, can still contribute to enamel erosion. If you're a coffee lover, try to limit your intake and opt for a straw to minimize contact with your teeth. And of course, sugary treats like candy, cookies, and cakes are best enjoyed in moderation. Sugar feeds the bacteria in your mouth, producing acids that attack your enamel. Now here's something important about toothpaste. Many conventional toothpastes contain harsh chemicals that can actually worsen sensitivity. That's why I recommend switching to a natural toothpaste that's specifically formulated for sensitive teeth. When choosing a natural toothpaste, look for one that's fluoride-free and contains ingredients like baking soda, hydroxyapatite, and xylitol. Baking soda is a gentle abrasive that helps to polish your teeth and neutralize acids. Hydroxyapatite is a naturally occurring mineral that makes up a large portion of your enamel. When incorporated into toothpaste, it can help to remineralize and strengthen your teeth. Xylitol is a natural sugar alcohol that's actually beneficial for your teeth. It prevents bacteria from sticking to your teeth, reducing plaque buildup and promoting a healthier oral environment. By using a natural toothpaste with these ingredients, you can effectively clean your teeth and reduce sensitivity without exposing yourself to harsh chemicals. So there you have it. Simple yet effective natural remedies to combat tooth sensitivity and regain control of your smile. By using natural remedies like oil pulling, saltwater rinses, and a healthy diet, you can reduce tooth sensitivity and protect your smile naturally. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to natural remedies. Make these tips a part of your daily routine and you'll be amazed at the difference they can make. Which remedy will you try first? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, subscribe and turn on notifications for more natural health tips. See you on the next one.